Several days after the Commonwealth Bank was implicated in one of Australia's largest financial scandals ever, its CEO spoke publicly about the charges.
There's no evidence of deliberate behaviour. There's no evidence at all about people deliberately deciding not to heed warnings.
But federal regulators disagree. They say the bank allegedly failed to deal with more than 50,000 suspicious cash transactions deposited into its smart ATMs, even after being alerted about possible criminal activity. Federal regulators say those deposits involved money that was being laundered by drug rings. At least 11 people allegedly tied to those rings have reportedly been arrested.
It's going to be very important for us to make sure that people understand that a lot of work has been done over the last couple of years since these issues were first brought to our attention.
Commonwealth Bank CEO Ian Narev has refused to step down. In a move seen to address public concerns, the bank announced that it was scrapping short-term bonuses for Narev and other senior executives.
I don't have a violin small enough to play for the Commonwealth Bank executives missing out on their bonuses when their base pay could be in the millions of dollars. The fact is, this money laundering scandal is very serious. These so-called intelligent deposit machines were in contravention of anti-money laundering and terrorism financing laws. These machines were taking $1 billion a month in deposits before it was shut down in 2016.
Narev's comments came on the same day the Commonwealth Bank announced record profits of nearly 10 billion Australian dollars for the last financial year.
Poor outcomes sometimes come from human error.
It's the latest scandal involving Australia's 4 major banks that include questionable financial planning and health insurance practices. Some experts believe all of the problems plaguing the nation's banking industry will lead to greater fragmentation, meaning more and more people will switch from the major banks to smaller, more aggressive financial institutions.
We have to make sure that when the new players come to the market, they are well resourced, they're well managed, and that the risk is cared for. Because if we go back then to sort of the 1992s, we had a lot of second-tier players there who disappeared literally overnight because although they were good and they were competitive, they were highly risky.
The Commonwealth Bank blames the incident on a coding error, which it says has since been fixed. The bank also says it plans to file a defense against the charges. Greg Navarro, CGTN, Sydney.